Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best lumbar support pillow for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best lumbar support pillow for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you spend a lot of time driving or sitting at a desk, you know how quickly lower back pain can creep in. A high-quality lumbar support pillow can make all the difference in improving comfort, posture, and overall spinal health. One top-rated option is the memory foam lumbar support pillow for car, designed to relieve lower back pain whether you're driving, working, or resting. Why choose this lumbar support pillow? Ergonomic design. This pillow is contoured to follow the natural curve of your spine, providing firm yet gentle support exactly where it's needed. It helps maintain proper posture and reduces the pressure on your lumbar discs, a must for anyone sitting for long periods. Premium memory foam. The cushion uses high-density memory foam that adapts to your body shape and retains its supportiveness over time. Unlike flimsy cushions that flatten out, this pillow offers consistent comfort without losing its structure. Versatile use. Though it's marketed for car use, this lumbar support pillow is also ideal for office chairs, wheelchairs, and even home recliners. The adjustable strap keeps it securely in place, whether you're on the road or at your desk. Breathable cover. It features a soft, breathable mesh cover that promotes airflow, preventing heat buildup during extended use. The cover is also removable and washable, making maintenance simple. Portable and lightweight. Despite its durable construction, the pillow is light and easy to carry, so you can take it from car to office with ease. Ideal for daily comfort and long-term relief. Back discomfort shouldn't be part of your daily routine. Whether you're a commuter, professional driver, or desk-bound worker, this memory foam lumbar support pillow is a practical and affordable investment in your health. It not only helps alleviate existing pain but also prevents future back issues by encouraging better spinal alignment. For under $30, this lumbar pillow delivers excellent value with its ergonomic design, memory foam support, and multipurpose use. If you're serious about reducing lower back strain during long hours of sitting, this could be the small change that makes a big difference. Perfect for car seats, office chairs, and wheelchairs, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sitting experience. Thanks for watching the video.